What are the causes then now way they make the wire and they possess you? The asbab. The asbab where somebody can make it, they contact this amirul bayt. Number one, you see Adamu dhikrillahi fil bayt. Where somebody they know they call Allah in him a house. You know, fine. Now, in make the sunnah of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, it tell we say when we nafila prayer, the Lord no they do an masjid, Lord do a mosque in a house. Say la taj'alu buyutakum qubura waj'alu min salatikum fi buyutikum. You see, when I take some prayers then on a house. Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, in sunnah prayer then the house been the dua. Though that the masjid in your masjid is been close to the house. Look the house there. Look the masjid. As you open the door, much no more you enter na the masjid. But what you been they do when you don't pray in Farida prayer, they go na the house. Na the house they go do the sunnah. The regular sunnah they more. Then one the way we get the 4 before Dhuhr, the 2 after Dhuhr, the 2 after Maghrib, the 2 after Isha, the 2 before Subah. Then call a sunnah or rawatib. Where the Prophet say, Man hafaza ala 12 raka'atan fil yawm, bana Allahu lahu baytan fil jannah. Anybody will keep to them 12 regular sunnah there, Allah the bill for your house na Jannah. Usawu for the do we nafila prayer them, we the do in a house. One of the things them we make with the do in a house, na for let we not get access to the bad one them, for let them go deal with we. When somebody not be seen in your house, they know they call Allah in name, you not fine for that house. They say number 2, Dhuhurul mar'a ariyatan duna dhakri Allah. When woman ki work at the house, you know get better dress, you know they call Allah in name, na chance for let them possess you. When you want free yourself, you want light in your dress na net for sleep, or you want light in your dress for going to the restroom, before they pull your dress, say Bismillah. When you say Bismillah, you veil the eye, they know they contact you. Number 3, i'tida'ul insana ala shaitan. Sometimes we can mistake for hamburg them, but sometimes you know they be willfully. You can take one matter, you send them, you know say Bismillah. You can jump, you for dump on them, you know say Bismillah. You can take heavy tea, you send them, you know say Bismillah. If you reach pan them, then they revenge, but then no they know say you know mean them. The shaitan knows be excuse. So now make any of them actions, then they what they do, if finally we they call Allah in name. Number 4, irtikabul fawahish wal kaba'ir. When boku bad, then unlawful sex, then they happen in the house too much. They attract them for letting them at the house there. Then when they at the house, then they contact, then they possess the people them, where then they on their actions, then the houses them where we say na so bad the day inside. 24 hours music, 24-hour different woman, 24-hour different type of drink when a bad drinks them. This one here, it provoke them come one at the house. Then another cause again, where they make them the kind of the house seriously one, when boku abusive language then at the house, also cause. Anybody they tell a company, tell them bad word. This can be a big cause for let them come. Then also where people then get music in the house too much. People in 24 hours then they play music na a cause for let them contact person. Then also if the house get boku images them, then photo them okay hang. The photo now one of the big means them for let them contact person. Then photo a mirror. A very danger where we use now we houses them today.